Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about animation on text. Guys, if you want to animate any of element on your website, then how will you do? Simply you have to select your element like I want to animate this box, and I will select this container box, and then I will click on animate. Then I will click on animation. It's already animated, but if you want to change your animation, then you can select your animation type. Just select your animation type, and then you have to click on customize. You can adjust your duration, delay seconds, and direction. Just check it by clicking this play button. Whenever you will open your website, then whenever anybody will be open whenever anybody will open the website, then this part will be animate like this. So guys, this is how to animate elements on. So same as you can animate any type of element on your website, your picture, your text, your images, text, or button, or any type of element you can animate by follow these simple steps. So guys, this is how to animate elements on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.